Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures. Believe it or not, we got an unboxing. Well, sorry, and it's unwrapping, and that one from Temu. And it's been such a long time since we've done our unboxing or unwrapping, and and as people say, you've got to be very, very careful what you get off of Temu because the sizes and well, is what different because you always got to check your sizes before you order anything off of Temu. There's a couple of times we've ordered stuff and that has been wrong size. So that's that. This is for the Munsters House, and now hopefully, yeah, well it is, and that's all we ordered. We've got another order coming, and that is for the chairs to go in the kitchen, and as in the dining room. But when that comes, I will show you that, and that is as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this and open this, and as we have a look, see what's inside it. And now I've got a knife and I've got a pair of scissors. So what I do, well, instead of using a knife, because if there's anything delicate in there, cut through it. So, and so what I do, I just use a pair of scissors to just snip it. Right, I've got a box here, and in there we got a rocking chair, and that for either Herman or Grandpa or one of the family can sit on it and watch TV or whatever. But I don't think they had a TV in the Monsters House, and we just have to, and I just have to have a look and see. So this is the rocking chair. That's a decent size, and that is a decent chair as well. Because on Temu, the some of the stuff is cheap and nasty, but other stuff are and they were made for the price. And as you see that, and that is it's even that is absolutely brilliant, isn't it? And because that looked well in the living room of the Monsters House. So right, we've got that. And now what I do, I will set them over there for the moment, and then afterwards we scan over the whole lot. Oh yeah, I've got some. Oh, these are the rulers we got off there. Because what I had got, see, I got my own ruler, and then we did buy this from. I think it was either Wix's or B&Q, and as it is a decent ruler. You know, it's really decent one. So I thought we'd buy a set of these, and that was see if they're good as this one here. But well, it looks. Well, I have to open it and see and we see, yeah. Because that's what I'm getting. Yeah, so what I do, I'll put that stuff over there out of the way. So yeah, and remember this one here. Well, as I said, this is a nice one. And then we'll see what these ones are like. This is the first time we ever brought any rulers. A set of four, and I think there was only about five or something, or not even out, I think. And let's have a look, see what they're like. Yeah, so and now I've taken the and now I've put a mic on the front there because where the bag was over it, and it was getting a bit quiet, so you couldn't hear me. So, well, right, here's the rulers. I'm going to take one out. I'm going to take the 30 centimetre one out because that one there's 30 centimetres, and we'll take this one out and see if it's as good quality as that one there. I shouldn't think so because well, it's a bit bendy, and then as you can see, like bend this one here to this one here. And that's more bit more solids and a bit more thicker. And I don't know if you can see the the size of the thickness of them. Yeah, this is the one I use, and this is the new one. And then as you can see, the bend in that. And then if I hold it where the hole is at the ends, because by the way, they on the back of them, they have got the inches, and that goes up to 12 inch. and that's the same as like my one and the new one. It's exactly the same as my one and all that. But as you can see, the bend in that, and I hope you can see that. And if you go to my one, there's hardly no bend in it. So, but you do pay for the, and then you do pay a little bit more for better quality. But for the price of them, I think they're right for marking out because they're really thin and all that and then you can get to the millimeters. All right. And as because on these ones, I'm sorry, on this one, on the new one, you've got millimeters on both sides, and on my one you go down to like half a millimeters and that there, and that. But on the new one it doesn't. But no, it's absolutely fine. And that's so we got like one at 30 centimeters, and then we have got one at 40. I'll get a 40 one out. That's what I'm going to get out of. And just bear with me just a moment. So that's a 41. And that is really bendy, as you see. But as I said, like you pay for the quality, but they're all right for like marking out. That's the main thing. That's what you want them for, and all that. And then we got one at 15 and one at 20. So and there's a bit ripped there. Look, never mind. And they're right for the money. Good. So what I'll do, I'll put them to one side. I'll put these to one side, and then we'll show them again in a moment, all laid out. Yeah, and I'll put my one away, and they're back to where I leave it. So that one's over there. So right, that's the rulers where we got, but and they're all right for the money, I suppose. And then let's see what's and that. And now hopefully this is what I think it is. Yes, it is. It's a grandfather clock for the Munsters House. And that is, see that? They're nice, and apparently it's supposed to open. So within the wagga door, and I'm going to put all the rubbish over there. Keep the lesson bands because the lesson bands always come in handy with it for zinc. And I open it up, and we see it's got a little change in it as well, as you see. And that's yes, it's all right, isn't it? Does that look all right in the living room or in Erman's study? And then we've got to decide where to put it. Right, that's just another thing we got. Oh yeah, and that is we did buy some windows because when we said we keep making windows for every project we do, what we're going to do is and as we go through, and then we're going to start buying the windows and doors and that. So when we do new projects, and as instead of me making doors for everyone and windows, and then we will have them. So that's a pack of windows. So I think there's about 10 or something windows in there, 15. And I'll get one out of the packet. That's if I can find oh, there it is, the opening. Well, yeah, because what they are is window frames, and all you can do is just put the glass in them, you see. And they're made out of basswoods, and they're so put window the glass in them and then paint them. That's just some. So we've got a pack of those. I don't know, there's about 10 or 15 in there. I don't know. I don't really know. Or 12. Now let me count. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 12 in there. So yeah, I'll put them over there. Also, oh yeah, we got the for Herman study, and then we got him a desk, and because that's why I say like, and then we have ordered some chairs and they want to go behind this here, and they're for Herman, and to go in the kitchen and the dining room. So, sorry, get that out. That seems good. Yeah, all the drawers open, and there you can see. So they're all open, so we could put stuff in them, and then that will stand in. But and then once we do Herman's study, then we're going to have that is the desk to go in there. So I'll put that over, and I put it over there as well. And I'll I'll move some of this stuff here because it's getting rather crowded. I'll put that there as well. And oh, we got one more. Oh, and then one more thing. The fireplace to go in the dining room. Now see this, I like this because I make my own fireplaces, but it's nice to we're saying well you ain't made where and it looks all right. See, because you can either have it like that, just a shell, and as you can paint that black and have a fire standing in it, and that, or you can put the surrounding like that to give it the slant, the side slanted, and that is, and then put a fireplace in that, and that is, and then you can put this in if you want the grate. I think it's called grate or something. Hang on, and, let me just turn it round. I'll put this in, and then I'll come back. Yeah, I'll raise it upside down. That's why. Okay, because well, like that because now why I had it. Sorry, why I had it is that way up, and as it won't fit in. So because this one here is smaller than this one here, I'll turn it round, put it in there like that. Oh, well, where you can see it fits in there, and now fit in like that. So that one's to go in the living room. So we got that. And what I did do is I did make a table to go in the kitchen. I'm going to show you that now. And I made the table. I didn't buy and we didn't buy it. Oh, yeah, there it is. And I made the table. And I'm either going to paint it, and it white or brown, whatever, or stain and varnish it. And that is, and then the 4 chairs I've got coming of Temu, and that is to fit in there, fit under it. Okay, and and all it is just an ordinary table, really. So that's to go in the dining room. Sorry, kitchen. And I made one to go in the dining room. And now you see this because this is in our Etsy shop and all that. So yeah. So and then if you like it, and then we'll go and have a look in our Etsy shop and have a look at it. So yeah, we got another one, and as always, we make more. And if you like them, so that is to go in the dining room because all the table in the dining room was just plain. Sorry, and all it was is just plain, but it has slats on it, like as bits of woods, with slats of wood and that. But this one ain't. But yeah, that's to go in the dining room. That one. And yeah, and so I did make occasional table, and there's to go in the dining room as well. And as you see, yeah, I do make these as well. So if you like, and then if you like it, just get in contact with us, and then I'll make one, and then we can sort of price out, I think. Sorry, so yeah, I'm going to stain or varnish, either paint this or stain or varnish it. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is lay it all on the table, and then they get rid of all this rubbish, and there's to put this out, and out of these boxes, and and what I'm going to do is lay it on the table, and then we'll scan over it. So see you in just a moment. Okay, that's the video. That's the unboxing or unwrapping, whatever you want to call it. Right, yeah. So I'm gonna end this video here, but there's just one thing I want to say about these rulers, and that is they are good, and they are good, but they're ever so sharp because where they're thin, really, really thin, you gotta watch yourself because like the corners and along the edge, you can feel it as you run your fingers along. They are very, they are sharp. So, and if you do buy some, just be careful. And that because they're really, really sharp. Well, they ain't really sharp. 'Cause otherwise, you just cut yourself all the time. But and you can get a nasty nick off them or something, you know. So yeah, so just be careful when you buy some and all that. But they are worth it. Well, I think so because all they are is just for measurements. But they are good. So yeah, so that's our stuff. That's our brought stuff. That's our stuff I made. And I hope you like this video. So please, and we'll send us a comment, and then about the stuff you think that we, and then if you and that like the stuff we brought, and the stuff that I made, and we'll finish this here. So and have a lovely week, just have a lovely week. And I hope everybody's well. So and then we'll catch you in the next one. So. Yeah, sorry. Please subscribe. Please push that like button, and that could like as more subscribers we get, and that is, and the more views we get, or watch time hours, and that is, and then as the better off we'll be. So if you could please like, subscribe, push that like button, and then we'll catch you in the next one. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.